friend him not come to school today. So for now, when I just have a feeling to start seeing. I'm gonna make prank videos.
So today I'm doing pranks and challenges. While everybody is setting up, my day I name nutrition we say, you know. Everybody's in place for the first challenge. So Mike dared me to go up to this random girl and get her to take a selfie with me.
Alright, yeah, can I take a selfie with you? My girlfriend, she just broke up with me and I want to like take a selfie and kind of post something like that. Sit down for that, what do you do?
Okay.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright, you're a Mormon, right?
Yeah, we are.
I mean, say you're a bully for a girl, right?
So for this next challenge, I'm gonna go to a group of Mormons so they can give me a girl. I didn't have all of the girl, you know.
No.
You know what I mean, right?
You probably, that's not our church.
Huh?
There's another church, that's not our church. There's a break-off church from our church that does that.
Son, you don't have bully for a girl.
No.
Why? Not that Mormon all about.
Blood, where you come from? Of course me have to do this in my life.
That girl was a trip, honestly. But I talked to her, I reasoned with her a little bit, make her know say it was a joke, so she could help me with my prank.
Where you take me for? Eh? It's a f***ing fool, you take me for?
Yo, just ease yourself, ease yourself.
Don't tell me to ease yourself. Ease yourself.
You really are going to this right
He's a f***ing fool.
No, you really are going this way.
Fool.
Just ease yourself. No, just ease yourself. Just ease yourself.
Don't touch me.
No, just ease yourself.
Don't touch me. You never did a sister, you.
Yo, just
Yo, don't touch me. Anthony, don't touch me. Don't touch me, there. Sure. Don't touch me. Stop. Don't touch me. You never did for this guy, no? You never did for this. You never did have to do it, Anthony.
Hey, you virgin! Eh?
Darius!
Easy. Alright, so what do you think?
It's alright.
Yeah.
Can't watch.
It's really not funny. Like my sister, yeah, try, but the comedy thing are not for everybody. To be honest.
Who let you in my house?
I can't believe your brother run up mine like that.
And run her like the mongrel she is.
I say this year.
I meet your friend mongrel.
I can't wait for the party later. Yes, we are the act.
Well, me done at already still.
So your parents them say about that?
What the way you really think you are go? Go on back in your room, man. Boy, you go party. So go club, you go. I look like a damn reject prostitute.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
That's nice.
I say treat, I guess.
I guess it's someone you invite over your house. You're a pestilence. Hey guys. To the next one there.
So like my favorite artist just dropped a new song today.
Due to how your time has expired.
Along with the chance to win 50k.
Does me hear $50,000? I'm just running at that.
Do you have a camera?
Yes, I do.
We can borrow it.
Ah! I will be your director. You can't stop there. No. You can't stop there now. So when are the deadline?
5 hours from
No, seriously, when are the deadline?
5 hours from now.
5 hours from now?
Whipping the chains, nigga. Whipping. Differential equations,
Them girl they dance like some friggin' handicap.
man. Yeah.
Alright, stop. Wanna stop. Maya, I know that comprehension or reading isn't your strong suit, but that's not what the script says.
Yeah, but this is my thing and I don't want to change the concept.
So hold on there. Why may I talk to the girl them? May I realize that them never plan to give me none of the money? Well, you know what? I can take my camera and just walk away. Oh, that sound? That sound good?
Fine, you can get 10k.
25.
25 are almost half of the money.
And I see that math also isn't your strong suit. Good thing you're pretty. Alright, places! 3, 2. Definitely, I forgot enroll them in the Anthony's School of Hard Knocks.
Whipping the chains, nigga. Whipping. Differential equations, man. Yeah. Whipping while I'm whipping, water whipping, yeah. Whipping while I'm whipping, water whipping. Whipping while I'm whipping, water whipping. Whipping while I'm whipping, water whipping.
So, hours after we posted the vid, we find out say we win. Me not understand how, you know. Cash that 50k check. But we win. My phone screen did crack, right? And yeah, it did crack. I
So
drop
what
it
happened
and
to
I just season, man. So it did crack. And me obviously never have the money for fix it. But thank God the phone man said I just 50 grand for it. The same 50 grand we win. Some users don't fix the grand. Yeah! So thank God, right? Thank God I just 50 grand. So I just use the money and deal with my phone. Thank God. You're the real MVP. Pick up yourself. Anyway, in the lips. No.